featureless Bugsy guy knows the drill.
No problem, Bugsy. Looney's a professional. Aren't you, Looney? You just keep on driving, Bugsy, and Looney will take care of everything else. Come on, Bugsy, follow me. Come on, this way, follow me. Come on, Bugsy. Okay, Bugsy, this is the place. He should be right there. Is he alone?
Yeah, looks like he's on his own.
Okay, Looney, get ready. Get out of sight. Bugsy, you stay here.
Hi, Sam. What can I do for you?
How about a small dose of straight talk, Dan?
Suits me.
You've been taking liberties, Dan.
I've been taking what's mine.
Trouble is, it belongs to me.
Too bad. Possession is 9/10 of the law, Sam.
Now hang on, Dan. I'm sure we can talk things over sensibly. We've been in the game a long time, you and me. After all, I'm a businessman.
You're a dime a dozen gangster, Sam.
Now button your lip, mister. I don't like your mouth. I have to have some respect, you know.
You slit your own throat for 2 bits plus tax.
You dirty rat, Dan.
You've been watching too many movies, Sam.
Okay, Looney, let her have it.
Quick, guys, it's a double cross.
Come on, Mrs. Kello, let's get out of here.
He's done for, guys. Get him!
Come on, Mrs. Kello, let's get out of here.
Quick, Bugsy, get in the car. Come on, Bugsy, let's get out of here.
Keys, where are the keys?
Danny Dan must have got him. Quick, Bugsy.
Right now!
Run, Bugsy, run!
Come on, faster! Faster! Get
Quick,
away!
Bugsy, let's get out of here!
Jeez! He sure runs fast for a fed guy.
Go, Dan, let's go!
Come on, Dad, they're getting away! What's happening? What's happening? We're out of gas. Trust that Sam. He buys a Rolls Royce, but he can't afford to fill it with gas.
Looks like we made it, Bugsy! Looks like we made it!
Come on, Sam, let's get back to the speakeasy.